Coming live from the command center of the JW Solar USA in Minnesota. This is what we have now is a harvester today, and guys, we're gonna go through the process here, and it feels right now like fall, which is not even fall yet. But guys, the temperature has changed so much drastically, and it's affecting the plants, it's affecting all the crops around. And guys, this is what it is. You can take a look, you can see the leaves here. It's like withers and all that stuff. And look, and I was just waiting for I can have a stronger seed. So I left the fruit hanging on the plant for so long. It's overripe, but it's good because I want the seeds, you know, I can save the seeds. And this is what I've done, and I waited for this time of period of time so that I can able to utilize them. So we're gonna be harvesting this. Doing so, I have gloves here and scissors and a bowl, but because I don't want to be in contact with these peppers because they are so hot on your skin, eating them is a different thing, or is a different feeling, in having them on your hands, which is a problem. So yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. All right, this is the trick I came up with, so I'm just gonna go with that. Have my gloves on and the scissors, so I already set the bowl underneath it because I just have to hold the camera, drop it that way, and cut the other one from that, and this one, that one. So moving the bowl to another direction, and you guys will just say, why didn't you just put the camera down or maybe put in a tripod? But this is what it is. It falls right away in there. So I'll show you the rest of the process as I go, because I'm using the scissors to harvest this. Thanks for watching. You might have your own way of harvesting peppers, but this is how we do it right here at the JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. Check this out, guys. This just a partial of the harvest here, and I'm gonna show you the tree, how it looks like. Ta-da! Look at that. The tree is almost empty. Feel relieved, less stress, taking all those fruit and, you know, hanging on that thing, reducing load into them. It's like, they feel so good today. No, they have to depart with their own babies now, and they're all by themselves. So all the food is gonna go for just them, supporting the stem or the plant itself and the leaves. Since we head into fall, and you can see, so we're gonna come through these ones now. That's the jalapenos. All right, so that's what we're gonna be harvesting now. Look at that. Then we're on left on that tree, and after that we got some cayenne pepper, long, thin. So they're here. They're not even ripe yet. So let's do it. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. Ta-da! Look at that. Now I already weaned them off from their parents today. They were like, well, you guys are all grown up now, you gotta go out there and do your thing. And just making fun illustration, but this is what it is. I still have some green ones there, and I can able to use them for doing like salsa or whatever other things. So this is the thing, and let me show you what we got. All right, this is what we got. This is the harvest we just got from the garden, and it's not bad, and I appreciate because it's something I grew. And yeah, we have to eat some fresh produce here at the JW Solar USA. Like and subscribe if you like what the output is or the outcome of the garden. And thanks for watching. Love you guys all. So this is just a pot garden, like a flower pot garden. It's not anything fancy, but at least I tried this year due to the COVID, and some people probably don't have the time, and everybody was isolated. Everybody has their own thing of doing. Some people pick up new um, hobby when it started with this COVID, and things they never done before, and inspire them to do new things. Some people going to the gym, work out. Some people eat more. Some people tend to start something they never started before, smoking, drinking, all that stuff. So some people are gardening. Some people that do different things, biking. So I still stay on course, whatever I'm doing. And some people pick up a lot of drinking because they think they're home, they have nothing to do, stress. But you gotta find something productive. If you can do all that stuff, but you gotta balance yourself. And I try to grow my own food, and even this, it can serve me for a very long time because it's very hot. One of them can cause a whole destruction. If I want to cook like stew or anything or whatever, I can take one and slice it in the middle and just take a partial of it, like a pie of it, and just that one can just give me the hot thing right away. So it will last me for a very long time for the winter. And I'm just gonna take that and ziplock it, and there we go. This is what it is, guys. Thanks for watching. JW Solo USA. Love you guys all. Stay tuned for more to come, and stay tuned. There's a video coming up again today on one of the product that I have to unbox. That's been sitting for almost two months, going to 3 months. I don't have time, so I'm gonna try to bring it up today and make a video of it, and I hope I can able to utilize two. I have to have another phone to show you guys what it is, but stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for support. And this is the garden 2020 with the COVID garden. I was gonna call it that way. The COVID season garden, the COVID time garden. So I gotta make everybody smile. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now. Love you.